What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the absolute cheapest clay lubricant using one of the most versatile products in the auto detailing industry, Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine, not wash and wax. So in the auto detailing industry, there are tons of companies out there charging a pretty large premium just to get the high quality, high-end products. And to be completely honest with you, I have no issue paying those premiums as long as the product is offering more protection, more cleaning power, or anything along those lines. Now, 3 products that I see no sense in paying more for: clay lubricants, detail sprays, and car wash soaps. Today I'm going to be specifically showing you how to make and talking about clay lubricant, but what all 3 of those have in common, all they're doing, their only job is essentially to add lubrication to the surface so that you can go at it with another product. Clay lubricant, you're going to be using your clay bar or your clay mitt. Car soap, typically you're going to be using your wash mitt. And then detail spray, you're going to be using a high quality microfiber towel from the right company, I would hope. The basis of all those products is essentially a very small dilution of a product like Optimum No Rinse. Now these companies are charging $15 to $25, sometimes $30 for a 16 to 32 ounce bottle of this stuff, which is absolutely insane. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a 32 ounce bottle of clay lubricant for less than $2. The first product that we're going to be using is, of course, Optimum No Rinse. It's Optimum's rinseless wash, and it's extremely popular because it's extremely versatile. You can use it for a million different things, and it's extremely concentrate, meaning you only have to use a tiny little bit to utilize in many different ways. Now, because it is a rinseless wash, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier to use out in the sun. You're going to have a lot less spotting, making it the perfect product to use as the base for our clay lubricant. The second thing we're going to need to add our Optimum No Rinse to is distilled water. No, you don't have to use distilled water. You can absolutely use tap water if you want, but today for the video, we're going to be using distilled water. And of course, the bottle that our clay lubricant is going to end up in. This is a 32 ounce bottle from Chemical Guys. It actually has a pretty decent trigger on it, and they're fairly inexpensive. And lastly, our measuring cup, so we get the perfect dilution, as well as a funnel so we don't make any mess. Before we get into mixing this up, I just want to break down the dilution ratio on the chalkboard so that it's super plain and simple. So directly from Optimum, the man himself suggests 2 ounces of Optimum No Rinse per 1 gallon of water. 1 gallon equals 128 ounces. We're using a 32 ounce bottle, so we take 138 or 128 and divide it by 32, which gives us 4. So we take that 2 ounces, divide it by 4, equaling 0.50 or 50, which is half an ounce. So we're going to be adding half an ounce to our 32 ounce bottle to give us the perfect clay lubricant. The first thing we're going to do is take the trigger off the bottle and fill it up with 32 ounces of distilled water. If you have this bottle or something similar, it should have the ounces on the sides for you to use as a guide. As soon as you're done filling your bottle up with 32 ounces of water, you can put the cap on, throw that away, and grab your Optimum No Rinse. This is where we're going to use our Pyrex and measure out exactly 1/2 of an ounce. As soon as we have it measured out, we can pour it through our funnel, put that to the side, take the funnel out, grab our trigger, throw it on, and then just give it a little shake to make sure the product's mixed up. And just like that, guys, we have the perfect, super cheap, super effective clay lubricant. So whether you're moving into paint correction or just doing a clay and wax, this is going to offer tons of lubricity so you introduce as little micromarring as possible to that painted surface. Now, this Optimum No Rinse, this is a 32 fluid ounce bottle, and it cost me $20 Canadian, which is probably about $16.50 for you Americans down there. Half a fluid ounce made a 32 ounce bottle of clay lubricant. Most companies out there are charging $20 just for a 32-ounce bottle of their clay lubricant, meaning this bottle here can make 64 of these. If you bought 64 bottles of $20 lubricant, that's about $1,250, basically a Hellcat monthly payment on clay lubricant, probably over the span of a year or a little bit less, depending on how much you're using it. And in my opinion, that just makes no sense. It's completely absurd. Everyone should be diluting stuff down like this. For all you guys who want to try this out at home, I put links in the description below so you can purchase the stuff we used, make yourself some super cheap, super high quality clay lubricant, and save tons of money. It's pretty insane to think about. If you were to do this over a 10-year period and use one of these every year, you'd be saving over $15,000, which is absolutely insane for as simple as something as a clay lubricant. And that about wraps it up for this video. So if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful in any way, please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, thank you for watching.